Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a copy database wizard. Okay, before you start, you should remember that a SQL Server agent should be running, otherwise your copy wizard would fail. Okay, and your database should not be in a single user mode. Okay, otherwise again the data copy wizard database would fail. Okay, this is not just a copy. It tells you it is a copy wizard, but it is actually either you can move the database or you can copy the database. Okay, now let's start with the PUBS database. Let's start the task. I'm saying okay. Let's go to the copy database. Select next. Now this is the source server. You can select from here. This is the source. I am going to keep the source and the destination same this time. You can choose a different one. Next. Again the same thing. In the destination I'm going to copy to the same server. Okay, use the window authentication. There is a SQL Server authentication. I'm not going to use it because I am using the window authentication on this system. Click the next. Okay, there we have another screen coming up. I leave it as it is and I will click next. There are a lot of database in this thing, in the server. Okay, as you can see there, it is as selected the PUBS. Okay, and in the status side, right side, it says already exist, which means that is going to give you a new name when you are going to copy the database. Okay, now as you can see, all the master database, okay, they don't have any checkbox on the side because you cannot move or copy the master database or model database or MSDB, okay, or AtempDB. Okay, these are system database cannot be copied or moved. Okay, and in the other case, as you see, because it is the same source and the destination is same, you will see that all the database already exist. Okay, while if it was different, in some of the database it may show you already exists, while the rest it may not show you, or it may not show you at all. Okay, I am going to click next. Here we are. It has added a new word to the end of the PUBS. Okay, and then let's see what it is. It shows me PUBS new MDF file. Okay, 2.2, and it is also showing me the destination folder and the status is okay. And then it is again showing me a PUBS new underscore log. Okay, the MDF file is a master file. Okay, master database file, and then we have a log file. Okay, that is the LDF. Okay, it is showing me the size, it is showing me the location of the file. If I want to see the location, I can make it a little bit bigger and see it what the location is, and the status is okay. Okay, this is the location. Now it has giving me two radio version options. Okay, stop the transfer if the database or the file with the same name exists at the destination. One. Second is drop any database on the destination server with the same name and then continue with the data transfer, overwriting the existing database. Okay, I would rather choose the first one. Once the database is gone, so don't expect it is going to be coming anyway soon. There is no simple way to make your database come back unless you have a backups and with the full backups and the transaction logs and the other things. Let's go to the next. Now to add a package name also. I added a package name. I'm not going to change anything right now. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. Next. Now it is giving me two options: run immediately, schedule. What is the schedule? Schedule is just like running it on in some days of the week or some time of the week. I can type a name and create a schedule. Oh, and as this is recurring, the one time occurrence is actually dimmed. Okay, you cannot select it. Okay, it is disabled. So suppose if I go and select one time, it will enable the one time and it will disable the rest. Okay, now let's go and select again recurring. Now recurring occurs weekly, it shows weekly, daily, monthly. Okay, it can occur every 1 week. Okay, it can occur on certain days. Okay, now this has been by default it's on Sunday. Of course this person must be working on a Sunday. If you are working on a Sunday, you can also do the same thing, run these jobs. Okay, or you can run it on any weekends or depending upon what you want. Okay, occurrence at, this is the time, occurrence every 1 hour, every 1 minute also is there. Okay, this is a critical scenario, 1 second, 1 month, 1 minute. Okay, I don't understand what they are there for. Anyway, if it's there, let's leave it there. It's starting and ending, it has given the starting and ending time also. I don't know how it's going to work with the starting and ending, because the thing is that once it starts, it has to complete the job. So occur once at start date, this is the duration, and then there is a description that it has been actually creating on its own. Okay, now let's select, I have not given the name, so I will leave it as it is. I am going to run it immediately. Okay, I go and run immediately and select next. It has come, it is giving the source and a destination, etc., etc., whatever it wants to do. Copy the pubs, it is giving me before running, it is telling me everything. Okay, I can still check it out. I'm going to click finish, and there we are, it's running. Now that's a success, it says. I'm going to close it, and we should have a new database here with the pubs new. I'm going to select the refresh. It has copied the database, and I have a copy of the database. That's all in this video. More in the next.